dedicate songs, we try and make our special days a lot more special. People come here and dedicate songs on Valentine's Day, or rather, whenever they sing love songs, they have dedications. But it so happens that it's very rare that somebody in the band celebrates their birthday and the birthday falls on a Monday, and that person is a singer, and that person dedicates so much amount of songs on love songs, and he uses his birthday to try and dedicate more love songs to more loved ones. It's very special, such kind of stuff happens. One such special did you record this or not? One such special moment is here. Put your hands together for Raghu, who celebrates his birthday today. And I suppose it's his birthday. Or do you want to use some Monday singing opportunity and say it's your birthday? No? You don't do like me? Okay.
He suddenly changed in
Raghu
Facebook.
Happy birthday, Raghu. And Raghu definitely is one of those very hidden poster boys of the rubber mat, as I could call it, because he deserves his slot that he's doing there week after week after week. And takes a lot of passion in his singing. But off late, his singing has taken a different course. Because everybody needs an inspiration to try and raise a new bar. Most poets, right from rockstar Ranbir Kapoor, everybody needs an inspiration to get their singing talent or any of their music talent out. We do not know who. It's not enough. I've just started. It's your birthday. Usually he sings only Tamil songs, and off late he's been putting a lot of efforts to try and go across the limits and boundaries to try and do something special for some people. And today being his birthday, you can all expect, without even knowing his songs, I know for a fact that there'll be a mixture of languages. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
That's the message we wanted to get, so it's all gotten. So nevertheless, thank you so much. Your intent is very clear. So perform, it's your happy birthday, so we will not talk anything wrong against what you're doing, and let the message be very clear. Stop blushing like John and start singing. Happy birthday, Raghu. Have a great year ahead.
Check.
You were supposed to play it when I started wishing him happy birthday, not when I stopped wishing him happy birthday. But still play it, it's okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Also you forgot, okay. Play his song first.
Happy birthday to you, Raghu.
हम अब तुम भी हो जिंदगी, अब तुम भी हो। Thank you, John. Thank you, John. I must say this. So,
John White.
Wednesday, I pinged John. I was asking whether we can go for this melody or not. So he said he doesn't have any time. And then he said, okay, let's try this once because he has played one song before. So he came there. We practiced just twice. At least I have recorded this and I have heard this over the weekend, but he never heard. Thank you, John.
All right, where do I start? Before we go, first let's wish, John stay there, let's wish the birthday boy happy birthday. Usually people give a treat on their birthday to others, and thank you so much for giving us the treat, because for a lot of times we thought that this is going to be a difficult medley to try and pull off, even though Hindi, and you've not studied Hindi after your 8th standard, 9th standard, this is like awesome. But this song requires a lot of penance, especially the last one from I requires a lot of penance to try and even experiment that. With the rubber band will be able to understand what I'm saying. After Kishore left, this one is possibly the most memorable medley that anybody has done on stage. So thank you so much for that one. Outstandingly done. Happy birthday to you. Have a terrific year ahead. Put your hands together for Raghu. I think so it was a fair bit of effort, and this effort is not possible if you don't have this kind of an emotion inside you, right? The emotion that you want to dedicate for a particular person. See, everybody is laughing and everybody knows who that is. Correct? How many of you know who that is? Put your hand up. See, there is already 3 people. Your dance team, everybody knows who it is. Nevertheless, at least the message has reached. There is a love failure song, there is a love success song. So, at least next birthday we'll be seeing you not single, but happy birthday. Really, really well done. Now coming to the other part of the song. I don't want to say anything about what you did. I'll let Sagar say it. Sagar, in the way that you love to say it, please do give it up for John Mott. I think it was quite awesome, and to try and do an unplugged medley like this with the beats coming in, it's been ages that we actually listened to something like this. Just unplugged with the keyboard. We used to do it previously, but happy you've come back to your keyboard ways after a long time. But super stuff, absolutely super stuff. Don't go far, you're required for the next act. I'm going to call upon, so that's the end of story for Raghu. Thank you so much.